Hey everyone, it's me Humayra. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthier version of tabouleh. Tabouleh is a famous Lebanese dish in Lebanese cuisine. It's a delicious salad that you won't stop eating, and it's healthy too. Let's start making it now. Start by mixing 1/3 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of bulgur wheat in a small mixing bowl, and set aside to absorb. Next, mince 1 bunch of parsley. Chop it finely, but don't be lazy. Use a knife with your own 2 hands. It's 100 times better to chop with your own 2 hands. So take your time and do it. It is time consuming, but believe me, it's worth the effort at the end. I highly recommend using a very sharp knife for this. It will save you tons of time and it will make your parsley super minced. Transfer the minced parsley into a medium mixing bowl or a salad bowl. This is which you will be serving the salad in. Then, finely chop about 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves. The easiest way to chop is to first roll it and then mince. I love the smell of mint leaves, don't you? Transfer the minced mint leaves into the salad bowl. Then, chop 2 scallions, also known as green onions, and transfer it to the salad bowl. Next, we are going to do a hard part. You might need adult supervision to do this if you are doing it as a child. Take 2 medium tomatoes, cut them into quarters, and remove the inner flesh and seeds. You will only need the tough rind part, so you may discard the flesh or use it for other curries, like dal curry or fish curry. I recommend using a small knife for this because it's way easier and 100 times safer. Now, chop the rind part into fine cubes. It has to be cube shaped, as that is the traditional way that the tabouleh is served. It contains a lot of tomatoes. Then transfer that to the salad bowl. Then season with salt and pepper to taste. I use about 1 teaspoon of each. You may use how much ever you want, because some people like it salty, some people like it not salty. So use it according to your taste. And mix in the bulgur wheat mixture. But remember, before mixing in the bulgur wheat mixture, make sure to give it a slight mix so that you know that it will absorb and it will blend in the salad properly. I always thought that the bulgur wheat part in the salad was coconut, but I just knew it was bulgur as soon as I learned how to make it. Isn't that amazing? It's what gives a traditional taste to this wonderful salad. Guess what? You are already done. It's so delicious and easy to make. Serve this with croutons, baguettes, or just eat it plain. Or you can serve it with garlic sauce. Link down below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, like the video, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Click on the right to subscribe and on the left to watch our garlic sauce video or another one. See you in the next one. Bye!